Welcome to Tyie Files TV. We are back again with the latest gossip nyaya dziri kupisa dziri kutendera pasocial media. Tsanokadzi nemavhile 11 vari kudedzera kuti Tyie ingochani akamudla kumanyowa akamubira mari yake tera yamunzwa inga zvakaoma guys.
Masquerade guys, I'm very sorry. I came live like I think minutes ago, so I've been receiving my calls like I've told you before. Like I've been receiving my private numbers now, so I'm just very sorry. Anytime this live is gonna cut because people they kept on calling me, so I'm very sorry. But I just want to say my story, Sometime last year, 2023. Tyie contacted me akandiudza kuti Tsanokadzi, since uri mofi like ngochani, I would like to have an interview newe because such issues like such content akadaro because they invite engagement like what he said to me. So he was like to me ndine Facebook page and I've got a YouTube. I monetize my Facebook page and I monetize my YouTube So iwewe Tsanokadzi, I want to interview you. And then we're gonna have a mutual agreement. Kandaku interviewer name. Obviously, the interview is gonna have more engagement whatsoever. The terms he used, I don't know on social media. I'm just an upcoming socialite, so I don't know much information. So he said to me that per interview chakuita, obviously we're gonna generate money. So the Maria Tyie papo, I'm gonna share between me and you, Anditika. That was Tyie's with me. So after the interview yaitwa, things was okay, Anditika. I hope you guys can hear me. Things was okay. Then Tyie said like I went again for the second time achikaram Kailicha because interview was done in Kailicha Tyie akandiradza engagement yake. It was very good on that interview. Akandiradza, okay Tsanokadzi, this is where we are, ndopatashika apa Official, I was like, okay, it's fine. That time I was not even less. I was like, I had 9,000 followers. You see, I was far much way better than him. So after that engagement, but okay, Tsanokadzi, Mari is generating me. So I'm gonna this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna share the money Okay, I was like, okay, it's fine. Tyie is okay. I don't have a problem with that. It's fine Then I kept on. 2023 yakapera. And I was like asking Tyie how far, and then that time Tyie was like, I'm very busy because I remember he once mentioned that ane buzz kuita ambassador or something. I'm not so sure which buzz, and I don't know. You guys in social media, you know that before then Tyie he was a brand ambassador for a certain buzz and this kuti munodaidza kuti chi like angari ambassador ye buzz rone. Okay, I was like, okay, it's fine Tyie. Then saka ndaenda kumba kwake I asked him, Tyie, okay, I'm gay, yes, it's fine. Am I safe with you? You are safe with me. Inini, I'm bisexual ndine mbinga yangu ndinobhadharisa like akandiudza kuti is like it's bisexual. I hope you guys understand bisexual zvinoreva chi. Bisexual zvinoreva kuti munhu rume anoita zvese, both varume nevakadzi kova ndamubvunza ndikasaka, are you bisexual? But akandianzi ari discreet like discreet, hadi kuzikanwa anditi. Okay, I was like, okay, that's cool, then it's fine Tyie then told me that ane mukadzi anombhadharira rent. That time he was staying in Kailicha. You see, he was staying I think I want to connect my charger, please. Where's my charger? I think where's my charger? My charger. Okay. That time akandiudza zvikanzi ndine this mukadzi anondichengeta anondibhadharira marent and stuff. I was like, okay, it's fine. Inini handina basa. I'm not here to judge and I don't have any issues with you. Anditi. I was like, okay, it's fine. So Tyie akandiudza akati anoita varume nevakadzi anditika. It was like, okay, it's fine. It means I'm proudly gay and I'm very proud of myself. I'm an advocate for the LGBTQI community. I represent the the less privileged, like like I stand for them. It's fine. I have the charge. Okay, sharp. Thank you. You see, I represent the I represent the less privileged. Ne? I'm not so sure chirungu chacho chinonzi China, but I represent those people who are vasingakwanisi kuzvimirira out there. You see, as ingochani, I'm a proud gay, and I'm very proud. Ne? So Tyie then said, okay, Tsanokadzi, since zori ngochani, ndakamborara akandiudza I slept ameno varume vangana, I don't know, I don't remember the number yakataura. So I was like, okay, it's fine, I would like to have sexual intercourse. And I was like, okay, it's fine, we can have this interview after, then we can do anything is fine for me. Then after that it was okay. Tyie akandi interview the interview. If you guys kuneva sina kuona this interview, to those of you who are very new, you can go on Google search, you can type Tsanokadzi, you can find the interview there, or you can go to Tyie's page, you can find the interview, or you can go to my page, you can find the interview. And I get your interview. I think it was a 30 minutes interview. I think just about I was like, okay, it's fine, that's cool, okay. I slept with Tyie after the interview. Tyie akandiratidza zvese. I didn't know, like, you know, guys, I was so surprised with these guys, like the discreet ones, they even know a lot about these things sexually, like zvinoitika pamabonde, zvinoitika pa whatsoever, you get me. So Tyie introduced to me. This was my first time ever since ndakatanga kurara nevarume. I've never had experience yekuyamwa mukosho. Tyie akanditi Tsanokadzi, I would like to rim you. Anditika ndikamuti rim, what does rim mean? So the rim is not kuti kukuyamwa, like your private part. I was like, okay, it's fine. I'm just outspoken, I just want to explore things, you get. Then I was like, okay, okay, Tsanokadzi, before taita bonde ndokumbira unogesa. Anditika, because what we mean by rimming which means kuti munhu rume anenge achikunanja kumusuri kwako kana uri ngochani, andika anokunanja musuri kusvika what, and that feeling was it was like it was very good, ne, it was very good. I enjoyed that feeling, ne. Ndakanogeza mushawa yake. If you guys, the likes of another Regina and stuff, you know, I've seen you guys makaita maskits na Tyie ku Kylie, ne. You made the maskis like Kylie, you know why gara Tyie. Ndakanopinda mushawa make ndikageza. I was like, everything, I was like, good, ne. Tyie he rimmed me. I was like, okay, it's fine. I liked it for the first time. This was my first time kurimana Tyie, because ever since ndakatanga chingochani, I've never been rimmed like zvandakaitwa Tyie. I was like, okay, it's fine, ne. The reason why I'm speaking these guys, ne, is because, ne, there's a current affair kuitika about Nyati and Tyie, ne. The reason why Tyie flew from Cape Town to Johannesburg, as you know, like we saw like what happened, ne? Tyie mentioned that he's appealing to everybody, like a couple. You guys must put like your picture in the comment section, like you guys must put something else so that I know one of my likes and stuff. So unfortunately the Nyatis won, and so unfortunately they couldn't go there in Cape Town because I don't know, like lack of my resources and stuff, ne? But at that I understand. I was like, okay, it's fine. So Shakazo, I was just like everybody. We are all socialites here on Facebook. Like my fellow socialites, you know what I mean. Eh? So I was commenting on the current affair. Eh? Like I was like commenting. Okay, the Nyatis, like recently they've been violated. Vakarowa monetization. What so issue? Or like okay. Inini semunhu akadzidzawo like to that level, and I don't know, I'm not saying I'm a learned like to that much, ne? I'm just saying kuti ndakadzidzawo to a certain extent, ne? So I was giving my 2 cents, ne? I mentioned, okay, Tyie, what was the reason for Tyie to fly from Cape Town to kwenda kuJoburg? Guys, what was the reason for him to fly to kwenda kuJoburg kunoona the Nyatis? I wanted to understand. So I was like, okay, obviously Tyie feels like the Nyatis is a threat kuna Tyie, and of which we all know that you and me, we know, even in comment section, you know that Tyie feels that the Nyatis vane the whole engagement, vane like attention yawe yes is on them, ne? So Tyie like felt like he's threatened. No, in the sense that, okay, we understand that and a big following, that of which we understand. Tyie and me, we takasimuka on the same level. Like, just I appreciate him, like he has got a beautiful talent that I appreciate, ne? But what I'm going against is kana uchinge wa collaborate nevanhu, please appreciate those people, love them the way they are. if you want to support them the way they are, ne? And it come. You took advantage of us, of which that's another story for another time, ne? Okay, it's fine. The Nyatis, they just like vari kungomukawo from the dead, and vanhu vari kungotanga kusumuka from social media, ne? And of which we are very happy for them. Vari kusumuka zvakanaka and stuff, you get, ne? So Tyie thought like he's threatened. The reason why he flew to Cape Town, that was not a genuine move. Tyie knew that the Nyatis, inini guys, like we are all into content creation, ne? Iwewe nentikagadzira content niwe na Tsanokadzi tikaita video redu 3 tese na. We have to schedule this video. Kana tabvumirana kuti iwewe neni, we have to post this video certain time, ne? But Tyie was very clever enough. He posted that video before the Nyatis and Jitika. So which means that video rakapinda muningirikini rakapinda mu social media, which is as an original content of which like affected the Nyatis. So me, I was giving just my 2 cents. So Tyie feels like he's threatened na the Nyati because the Nyati want attention, yes. So mimi the Nyati, just be careful next time. Don't just associate anybody. Haibo, I want to support you, I want to what you get, because we all have stars. Nema stars are different. I know shine shakasiya. So Tyie obviously saw that the Nyati have got a shining star, a beautiful one, and then boom, akanwa violated everything. Because if you guys come to think of it, before this whole scandal, before Nyati Zaitika, the Nyati, we knew them as a happy family. They never came here on social media. Guys, we have been violating nema rights, social media and stuff. But why is it that Tyie akaenda kuna the Nyatis, and then after that the problems comes, you see? So I just gave my 2 cents, and then Tyie blocked me. So I was like, okay, this motherfucker is blocking me just because I'm telling the truth. Okay, it's fine, okay. Of which me, I respected him so much, ne? Munhu like he came to me like he wanted to put me out there on the map, because he had, I think, 12,000 something followers that time, 2023. Me, I had, I think, 9,000 or something followers, far much way below than him. I was like, okay, it's fine. Maybe it's gonna help me like boost my engagement. Me, I came to social media just to do for business, and despite all the dramas and about social media, I was ndakamboita zvakawanda zvese. You all know me, I don't know kwamunondiziva whatsoever, it's fine, eh? But Tyie, the reason why I came out with my story because Tyie, I was listening to Nyaya Regina, that lady from Kapfupi and stuff, actor Kapfupi na ma scandals, ne? Tyie also violated Regina. I don't know the story, what happened there, but I do understand what happened from them, because they were working together. Tyie is very selfish, ne? And also the reason why I'm saying he's very selfish, we worked together. I can interview her. I spoke my mind, the whole of me as a gay person, ne? I told him everything, but he was supposed to say that he's gonna shame me, whatever we're gonna earn from that time, ne? But of which that didn't happen, ne? So I was like, okay, I need justice for that, because that money, or I know right now he has that money, akawana. And if you guys, I don't know if you Tyie has good management or whatsoever, you can check in the engagement post. On that post, could akaita mari on that post, so you see, I need justice. So I was telling you, Tyie, I slept with him, I hate everything. I've never spoke about it any time before. I'm speaking it before because, yeah, like I feel like I have to air it out, you see. So Tyie, I know everything about you. And today, to my surprise, after I posted that video we did together on TikTok, I posted it on my Facebook page. Tyie, I received an email which says, Tyie reported me. I don't know. I'm just gonna share the screenshot here. Tyie what at gmail.com that reported me whatsoever. And I was like, okay. So Tyie on my own side, I'm a rising upcoming socialite, and I'm very glad that my page is being monetized. But it's been also violated because of Tyie. You see, Tyie is very rude, and he's not being fair on us. You see, we are all socialite, we all love one another, ne? So when we collaborate, ne, we have to come to a certain point. We meet at a point that we guys, when we do this, we have to post like this and that, ne? But why, Tyie? My question is, why violate my rights? I'm a monetize my page. I'm a nail technician. I'm hustling. Yes, I don't beg here on social media. I'm hustling as a hustler, ne? And kuwana kwanakachita mari on Facebook, it was a side hustle also. So why did you report me? And then of which iwe ukuziva zvakaitika ne. I'm speaking out because iwewe you lied a lot ne. You are very selfish, and you are very selfish. You think only yourself ne. Social media is very big for everybody ne. Everybody can come here on social media and make money ne. But when now you are very selfish, because why did you violate my rights to earn money on social media? I'm doing a different content from you. Yes, the fact that you fucked me, you introduced me all the styles. I was not even familiar with all those sex styles you introduced to me. You was licking my essence whatsoever. That one I'm just saying out because you are a crook, and that girl you are dating, you are a crook. You are only using that girl because that girl has got a talent on her, and that girl, unfortunately, I feel sorry for you, Kiki. You are very dumb, wakapusa, and ukushandiswa. Tyie knows that iwewe une a special talent ripamsoro pako. That's why he's using you. Tyie is into sugar mamas. Anochengetwa nevakadzi like what he mentioned to me before. Aichengetwa mukailicha aibhadharwa rent mukailicha umantika. Iwewe Kiki, andingeni ndau panyaya dzenyu is fine. Past is past ne. Makadana na makaita zvamakaita, you loved each other whatsoever. We move on as humanity ne. But I'm just saying kuti, you must be careful of munhu wako. Munhu wako is a problem. Is a problem, like a big problem. Right now I'm receiving threats. I was about to go on live like recently here. If I can tell you right now, I'm not even in Paarl where I stay. I'm somewhere else because people, they took me to secure me because I was receiving a lot of calls that when I Tyie, just because I spoke my mind, you used me and you have the money there. I know you have the money, and I was speaking my truth and nothing but the truth. You know what happened, Tyie, and I need money also because we did this together. I need my money now. So wena uri crook anditika, we are very happy for you. You are growing so big into a big brand ne? But make use of that big brand in a positive way. Don't use people. When you work with people, please agree with people ne? Whatever agreement you come with people, please set goals. Whatever happens, you settle your cause. But the fact that you used me and you never paid me money, and now the fact that I'm speaking, you are threatening me because I spoke the truth, and you want me to leave Cape Town because of I told the truth. And why are you sending those people? And why are you calling me with private number? Why, Tyie? Because I spoke the truth. It's fine. I'm gonna leave Cape Town. It's fine. Me, I'm not a dramatic person. I don't love drama. I'm gonna leave Cape Town if that makes you happy ne? But just know karma is a bitch. What happens comes around. What you do to people is also gonna come to you. Always do good. Nothing beats the truth. When you work with somebody, work with them, you come with the agreement, then you settle, pay the people, and then everything is good ne? You used me, you never paid me. You know that interview made you, and it's also part of the contribution. That 700,000 plus followers we have on Facebook, I'm also part of that because I also put you on the spotlight. Because that interview, I know Zimbabwean people love a lot of drama, ne? But you knew you are very clever, ne? You are very clever. I understand you are very clever, but stop what you are doing. I know you are threatening me to leave Paarl, of which I don't have a problem. I'm gonna leave because I don't want to lose my life. I'm still young and energetic and have a career to go further with my future. You know what you are doing there. I came here twice on live and I left because you was calling me because you knew that I was gonna go live. I was talking on Facebook what you did to me. So Tyie, this is very wrong. You used me. And you used me, and I need my man. I need also justice. What you are doing, it's not like it's not like I'm just coming up with this issue, because I'm seeing everybody's complaining about you, what you are doing to people, you see. So stop what you are doing, Tyie. This is very wrong, you see. You used us, you interviewed me, and you had money on my interview, and then you never paid me. So I need that money also. And who the hell are you? Why are you chasing me out of Cape Town? Why are you chasing me out of Cape Town? Why are you sending me threats? Why? What's the problem? Just because I say the truth and you want me to go out of Cape Town? Aibo, Tyie. Okay, it's fine. I'm not gonna fight with you. You said what you said is fine. We all belong to the Almighty. I might be gay or whatsoever. You are straight like you claim, name. But I know the true way, what you say from your mouth. You say that you are bisexual and you do girls and also you do guys, name. Tyie, this is very bad what you are doing. Stop calling me and stop what you are doing. Ne? I'm coming live here. You don't even know where I am. I ran away from my place because you were sending me, because my business is online. My address is online, you see? And then you are sending people to come and attack me for me to just speak a current affair on social media. And you are doing this to me, Tyie, after you using me. That is not good. May the good Lord reward you with what you are doing, because it's very bad what you are doing, Tyie. I'm telling you this, the truth, because it's very bad. You used me. I am an advocate. I'm proudly gay. I speak for the speechless. I came out from my family. When the time I came out as a gay person, my family accepted me the way I am. I came here to South Africa to have a life, and then you want me to chase me out of Cape Town because of this small petty issue. Why can't you just pay me my money and then everything is settled? May God bless you, Tyie. I'm very angry with you because what you are doing to me is very bad. It's fine. God will reward you what you are doing. Bless you, my brother. But I need justice. You can't chase me. You can't send me threats because I'm just speaking the truth. You see? That's bad. Bye, guys.
Thank you so much, guys. I'm sure mazvinzwira mega from the horse's mouth. Mambokadzi vaidedza vati vakadyiwa kumanyowa naTyie ingochani. Please comment down below.